And I'm a mixed media artist. I paint and I also do collage, sculpture, and I use a variety of media. I've been making art for as long as I can remember. I went to a visual arts high school and I've worked as a scenic painter, decorative finisher, muralist, and a teaching artist. And I've been doing my own work and selling and exhibiting professionally for about 10 years now. My work is mostly inspired by nature and it shares an interest in surface texture. And I'm also inspired by early works of art and decoration and primitive arts as well. With my work, I'm trying to communicate the sensory experience of art making. So I'd like the viewer to look at the art and want to touch it, want to know what it's made of, and have a curiosity about the materials and the inspiration for the work. I think the Raw events are a great opportunity, not just for the artists, but also for the guests. They're basically getting, for a really low price, a whole night of a variety of arts, from film to fashion to visual arts, and just getting to see artists that they might not even know existed. My portfolio can be viewed at www.carlaereyes.com. My name is Carla Reyes and I'm a raw artist.